everyone, introduce myself. My name is Melian Jeffrey Saputra. Here is I will explain about file transfer protocol. And file transfer protocol of a wide range meaning of FTP, history of FTP, FTP function, FTP application, types of FTP, how FTP work. Next, meaning of FTP. FTP is File Transfer Protocol, which is an internet protocol that runs at the application level, which is a standard for the process of transferring file between mechanic in a framework. Next, history of FTP. The file transfer protocol has been around for 20 years in the internet story. So this protocol already has good standards. One of the oldest protocol ever on the internet. However, FTP remains a type of service that is often used by internet users, especially to download and upload software or other things. FTP is one of the earliest internet protocol developed. FTP date back to 1971 when a file transfer system described in RFC 959 was developed between mechanic at MIT or Massachusetts Institute of Technology. FTP function. The main function of FTP is to exchange file on a network, be it local network or a global network internet. The FTP server function is as follows: to share data, to provide internet of implicate remote computer, to provide storage space for users, to provide reliable and efficient data transfer. FTP application. FTP application, the following are some examples of FTP application. Number one, Windows default FTP. By default, the Windows operating system include an application for FTP. However, because it is very simple, the default application is rarely used. Number two, FileZilla. Free FTP client application with complete feature. FileZilla was developed by Typo EOA Media. Number three, Classic FTP. Free FTP client that has basic FTP client feature combined with the latest features. Classic FTP was developed by NCH Software. Next, types of FTP. FTP server is a server computer that provides FTP access to local network and the internet global. Various types of FTP server development software include FTPD, ProFTPD, FTPD, FTPX, Troll FTPD. Number two, an FTP client is computer that requests a connection to FTP server for the purpose of exchange files. How FTP works? How it The way FTP works globally is as the main method uses low website development to carry out FTP function is to transfer file paths from the client computer to the hosting computer website. It is also used by sites that provide file download facilities. It is also used for internet network file on small computer network system. Most programs, including web browser, have will support for FTP-based data transfer. The next, how it work, the way FTP work using OSI is a follows. FTP work in the same way as HTTP to transfer web text from the server to the user browser. The protocol used is TCP/IP to enable data transfer. Next, how FTP works. Number one, duplication file from one computer to another computer can be done in both directions. The client can send file to the server or can request a file from the server. Number two, to access file on the server, users are requiring to identification themselves first, and the server will carry out the authentication process for the users. FTP user, a connection-oriented connection, so both sides must have a TCP/IP connection. Okay, thank you for watching. See you the next video.